All right, we're getting in some news on the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath's very interesting and important message from Agra. Yogi Adityanath, in fact, has given the example of the crisis in Bangladesh, saying, and I quote, "Batoge to katoge."
राष्ट्र से बढ़कर के कुछ नहीं हो सकता, कुछ नहीं हो सकता। और राष्ट्र तब सशक्त होगा जब हम एक रहेंगे, नेक रहेंगे, तभी नेक रहेंगे। बटेंगे तो कटेंगे। आप देख रहे हैं ना, बांग्लादेश में देख रहे हो ना, तो वो गलतियां यहां नहीं होनी चाहिए। बटेंगे तो कटेंगे, एक रहेंगे तो नेक रहेंगे, सुरक्षित रहेंगे और समृद्धि की पराकाष्ठा को पहुंचेंगे। हमें विकसित भारत की संकल्पना को साकार करने के लिए कार्य करना है। मैं एक बार फिर से राष्ट्रवीर दुर्गादास राठौर जी के इसी चरणों में कोटि कोटि नमन करते हुए, आज उनकी भव्य प्रतिमा यहां पे लगी है। राष्ट्र के प्रति समर्पण और श्रद्धा का भाव जिन्होंने अपने शौर्य और पराक्रम से दिया था।
Okay, interesting. The Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh appealing to the people that stay united, stay for building India into a Viksit Bharat. Arun Dhanta joins us for more on this. Arun, so the Chief Minister appealing to the people, exercising a caution there, batoge to katoge, ek rahenge to nek rahenge. This is what he has told the people there while he was addressing. Tell us a little bit more.
Well, see, Yogi Adityanath is known for such speeches, and once again he's speaking about that we'll have to stay together. Unity is something which is very important, and of course Yogi Adityanath also knows the importance of that vote bank in Uttar Pradesh, and therefore you have seen even in the past whenever Yogi Adityanath has been speaking or even campaigning during the election time, he's been talking about Hindu being united. They all have to come together, and now when you have the by-elections in which there are a lot at stake for Yogi Adityanath, he's not leaving any stone unturned. We saw that there have been voices in Uttar Pradesh BJP who have come out, in fact, have spoken somehow against the Chief Minister when they spoke about the losses of BJP in the Lok Sabha election. So perhaps these by-election which are going to take place in Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath seem to have setting the tone for those elections. And in fact, even in the past, there have been multiple decisions which Yogi Adityanath government has taken in Uttar Pradesh that has also been on that path. So Yogi Adityanath is speaking about सबको इकट्ठा होना है, बटेंगे तो कटेंगे, all these things. So I think Yogi Adityanath once again sending that message to his audience, and he knows who all are his audience and what is going to be the impact if he speak on such lines.
Oh, absolutely. Just kindly stay on with me, Arun. We also have a reaction from Ameek Jamai from the Samajwadi Party. Listen in.
मुख्यमंत्री जी कह रहे हैं कि अगर बटोगे तो कटोगे। सवाल यह है कि आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्री जी बांट कौन रहा है? जब आपको कप्तान बनाना होता है, जब आपको सीओ बनाना होता है, जब आपको एसएचओ बनाना होता है, जब आपको अपना मुख्यमंत्री दफ्तर का ड्राइवर चुनना होता है, जब आपको मुख्यमंत्री दफ्तर में सिक्योरिटी में उनकी जाति चुननी होती है, मुख्यमंत्री जी कौन बांट रहा है? बांटने वाला कौन है? केंद्र सरकार में, पीएमओ में, देश के विश्वविद्यालयों में कौन रहेगा, कौन नहीं रहेगा, कौन बांटने का काम कर रहा है? मुख्यमंत्री जी, आप बांग्लादेश का उदाहरण दे रहे हैं, बिल्कुल ठीक उदाहरण दे रहे हैं। बांग्लादेश वही है जिसको भारत ने पाकिस्तान के 2 चीथड़े कर दिए थे, और शेख मुजीब को समर्थन देकर हमने वहां पर एक डेमोक्रेटिक सेकुलर सरकार की फाउंडेशन डाली थी। आज वो देश चीन और आईएसआई के चलते धार्मिक कट्टरपंथ के रास्ते पर जा रहा है, और जहां पे धार्मिक कट्टरपंथ जो देश जाएगा उस रास्ते पर, चाहे वो हिंदू राष्ट्र की तरफ जाए, चाहे वो मुस्लिम राष्ट्र की तरफ जाए, सबसे पहले उन देशों में वहां की रहने वाली माइनॉरिटीज और जो प्रगतिशील तबके हैं उन पे हमला होता है।
Right, Arun, so the Samajwadi Party also giving it back to the BJP, to the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister, accusing them of, distributing people. Obviously, all the political parties now going to weigh in into this with these remarks by the Chief Minister saying, batoge to katoge, in preparation for the upcoming assembly elections.
Well, see, it was bound to happen that you would see such reactions coming from the opposition side in Uttar Pradesh. But here you have Yogi Adityanath. He is not deterred from such opposition coming from the other parties there in the state, and he has been speaking on these lines even in the past also. But of course, as we speak about Yogi Adityanath, still there has been a huge chunk of Uttar Pradesh voters who like Yogi Adityanath for what he does. And of course, there have been opposition for certain decisions which he has taken in the past, whether it is a decision against some of the criminals. He's been called bulldozer Baba in Uttar Pradesh. So all these things which Yogi Adityanath has done in his last two tenure, he knows there are people in the state who like him for those decisions and those work that he has done, and perhaps he's happy the way he is getting response of the people, the way he is shaping and moving as far as his position in Uttar Pradesh is concerned. So I think on that line, Yogi Adityanath is maintaining his stand, and it was bound to happen that you will see responses coming from the opposition side taking on Yogi Adityanath.